Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is Collect Direct with SLV. I'm super excited to talk about a brand new network marketing opportunity available in Australia. What's even more exciting is it's based on something totally new, a new concept within the collectibles industry, which was a massive industry in 2022, totaling about $458.2 billion. So the guy that started the company has been collecting and preserving things for the last 40 years, roughly from 1950 through 2000, constantly adding to the collection, so it'll be growing rapidly as we're launching this company. But you'll be able to find things like sports trading cards, Raggedy Ann dolls, Barbie dolls, Pokemon cards, any kind of collectible, coins, comic books, you name it. It's brand new, no links yet. Reach out via text or email. Take care.